and welcome to Commodity Masterclass, an initiative by ICICI Direct. And today we are going to talk about trading in bullions. And to talk about it, I have with me a very special guest, Ms. Pooja Lad, Senior Manager, PKMT Bullion, MCX. Welcome, Pooja.
Thank you so much.
Pooja, let's start with bullion trading on the exchanges. What is the spot price and how is it different from the derivatives in bullions?
Yeah, basically what happens is that if you see MCX, we are a derivative market in the sense, we have trading of futures as well as options into our exchange. Now, what happens? The beauty of the MCX price is that we build in not only international gold price, but also rupee dollar is factored into it. Import duty changes are captured into it, as well as the prevailing premium discount which prevails in the spot market. All these are covered. So when a person is actually trading into MCX or he's hedging, his price which covers, which he's actually hedging, is not only the international gold price currency, as well as if there is any duty changes, even that is being captured, as well as the spot premium discount what we see in the market. That all prices comes together and makes the MCX gold price. So if you see on our platform, you will find all kind of participants, right, from investors to speculators to value chain participants. We've got large importers, bullion traders, branded jewelers, retail jewelers, exporters, everyone trading on MCX. Because today, if you see, MCX is considered as a benchmark price where the value chain participants like the jewelers, if you enter any jewelry shop, who's giving you a price of gold. So when you enter a jewelry shop who's giving you a gold price, that is spot gold price, he will always consider the MCX price. He will always see on the screen that what is the price prevailing in MCX, and accordingly he will price his spot gold. So today we are proud to say that MCX has become a price benchmark for the value chain participants and for the end consumers, because as most of the pricing is done MCX plus or minus.
Okay. So if you talk about the bullion derivatives, what is the contract size and how many contracts are available for trading?
Yeah, the beauty of our contracts is that we've made the contracts for all kind of stratas of society. We have if you talk about gold, we have gold 1 kg contract which we call as gold regular contract, gold mini 100-gram contract, gold guinea 8 grams, and gold petal 1 gram. So basically, the HNI people, they can invest in gold regular contract. That's a kilobar. So if you consider 50,000 being a price of a gold of 10-gram gold, so 50 lakhs would be the cost of a kilobar. Similarly, 100 grams gold, that is gold mini contract which I have, and gold guinea. You can even take 8-gram gold on MCX. You can book the price of 8-gram gold, as well as gold petal, which I said that it's a 1-gram contract. So we've seen lot many people, lot many especially housewives and women and ladies getting attracted to this gold petal product where they accumulate 1 gram coins, and finally they're getting delivery of even as small as 1 gram gold coin.
Okay.
So these are the products which are there as far as gold is concerned. As far as silver is concerned, we have silver 30 kg, we have silver mini 5 kg, and silver micro 1 kg. So we have even a kilobar of silver getting delivered on the exchange. So these are the various denominations in which a person can trade or even hedge the position on MCX.
Pooja, you just said that a small retail investor can buy in a petal of gold, and you can make the delivery possible. So how is this delivery system? How does this delivery system really work?
Okay. As I said that gold petal, the unique thing of this product is that we are the only exchange, or rather, let me put it like this: that we are the 1 gram gold contract in the world. We are the only exchange who's delivering 1 gram coin. Okay, it is used by people, by the organized retail investors as a systematic investment plan. It's like an SIP type of flexibility which they get, because what happens is that when they're buying one gram, they just have to pay the margin, which the margin is just as low as 6%. So by paying 6%, they book the gold, and on the expiry of the contract, they can get delivery of the same. Now, delivery is something which they get it in an electronic form. The way in equities you have demat account, that way in commodities we have got Comrisk, which is nothing but the electronic holding where these coins are accumulated in an electronic holding called as com risk. So the best part over here is that each coin comes along with the individual assaying certificate and a quality assurance, and there is convenience of transaction over here. There's liquidity on the exchange platform, which if a person is buying from MCX a gold coin as small as 1 gram, he can even deliver back on the exchange without any hidden charges. So basically, only addition over here is that there's 100 rupees making charges which we charge behind a 1 gram coin. But as a buyer, when he's paying 100 gram, when he's coming back to sell the coin on the platform, he gets return of that 100 rupees also. So as a seller, like when from a buyer we collect 100 rupees and we give it to the seller, and when that person becomes a seller, he will get back that 100 rupees.
Can I take a physical delivery of gold also?
Yeah, physical delivery of gold is also possible on MCX. As I said, that you will get the goods in electronic form, so you can make it from the electronic form to, like what you say, demat to remat, similar kind. If it's in electronic form, you can change it into a physical form. It is a very easy process. It just takes 5 minutes. You need to visit to the vault, and you can actually physically withdraw the gold which you have holded in an electronic form on MCX platform.
That seems very interesting. What denominations are available for investing in gold and silver at MCX?
Sorry, I didn't get that point.
What denominations? I mean, if I want to buy, do I have to buy in international currency like dollar, or I would have to buy in the rupee form only?
Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, that MCX price, it is an Indian price basically, where the international price as well as the local currency, that is the USD INR, and the import duty is already included, as well as the prevailing premium discount is also included in the prices. So MCX price, what you see, it's a composition of three prices, that is the gold price, the USD INR, the import duty changes, and the current premium discount that is there in the market, the demand and supply, what you say.
How to hedge gold and silver prices via futures and options? If I want to hedge, I'm an institutional user of gold and silver, and I want to hedge on the exchanges. How do I do it?
Yeah, sure. So hedging, as we've seen that there are a lot many value participants which are already on MCX as far as bullion contracts are concerned. You name the large dwellers and they are already there. Position you have in your spot market, you take exactly an opposite position on futures, and you hedge your position. So there are a lot many dwellers who fix their prices. That is, where the price is not fixed. The gold price is open, and at that time they come on MCX and they hedge the positions by simply buying gold, as well as when the price is unfixed. That time also they come on MCX when the price is not at all fixed, and they have to fix further the price with the bank, or maybe the customer has kept the price open. At that time they sell futures and they hedge the position on MCX. That's a beautiful way of hedging on MCX, because the main advantages is that there is efficiency of capital, because a person has to block only an initial margin of only 6% for gold, and only 10% as far as silver is concerned. So the remaining capital, say 80 to 85%, he can deploy in other funds. So he doesn't have to pay 100% when he's booking his price on MCX. There is lock-in of his prices, so there is protection of his profit margin. If one is hedging, he fixes his price, and hence any price fluctuation does not affect his profit at all. We have seen hedgers hedging their inventory stock which is there in their shops. They hedge that on MC's platform. So at that point of time, they sell futures and thereby minimize their risk. So it is available to all the bullion physical participants, and it's easily available on various media channels. The price is available on media channels, newspapers, as well as on the websites and stuff like that.
What is the purity of the gold and silver that we get at MCX?
Yeah, the purity is assured as far as MCX contracts are concerned. The purity that we provide as far as gold is concerned, a gold kilobar and gold mini 100 grams, we provide a 995 quality, and it comes with an individual certificate. So the quality is absolutely assured. We take LBMA approved bars. Recently, we have also approved the Indian gold refiners after keeping a proper going through a proper process of financial audits and technical audits. goods, and we have qualified them looking at their product as per the BIS standards which were released by the government. So we have allowed that, and the quality is assured. As far as silver is concerned, we get a 999 quality, and all these products will come with an individual certificate. So on that certificate, you will get a complete description of the product, so you're assured of the quality as far as the product is from MCX.
If we talk about the volumes, Pooja, how have the volumes been on the bullion exchange, bullion trading? Because retail participation is now increasing, and there was no awareness about trading of bullions on exchanges, and the kind of contract that you have spoken, the mini contracts and the petal contract that you have for the retail. So, are you experiencing a rise in volume for bullion trading now with the awareness growing?
Yeah, the volumes, if you talk about the volumes, in fact, during the COVID period, we've seen the volumes booming up, in fact, because what had happened that, due to COVID, since there was a lockdown and everything was shut, so people actually, they traded on MCX and they provided delivery also on MCX. If you see gold, all variants, if you compare it by 2019-20 with the year 2020-21, till I'm talking about till January, so it was nearly 23% up in all gold variants. As far as silver was concerned, we were up by 122%. So overall, we saw a growth of nearly 62% on the exchange. And I would also like to share the delivery figures, because we saw a lot of delivery happening on our platform. And the best part of delivery was, since we had launched a kilo bar in silver, and we had launched 1 gram gold petal, which I just mentioned, we saw a lot of response. We saw nearly 32,567 coins being delivered. We started the gold petal contract 1 gram delivery from October 2019. From that date till date, we have seen 32,567 coins delivered on the exchange. And as far as silver 1 kg, that is again a retail product, we have seen delivery of 13,538 bars successfully delivered on the exchange and changing hands basically.
That's great. Thank you, Pooja, for being with us. It was really a useful information about trading in bullions. Retail can get into the bullion trading and get benefited. Thank you very much for your views.